is what you'll need for a lovely nutritious carrot soup. Some carrots, of course, some chicken stock, a potato to thicken it up a little bit, as much or as little garlic as you'd like, an onion, a bell pepper, a couple of sticks of celery and some honey for extra sweetness. First thing we're going to do, get all the veg washed and prepared. In other words, chopped up. With the veg chopped, time to go into a pan with a good knob of butter and some olive oil, and then in with your veg. Carrots, onions, celery and your bell pepper. And then into there with a good dollop of salt and some cracked black pepper. Then it's on with a lid and we're going to gently fry and steam them for 5 minutes just to soften them down. When you veg, about a few minutes, time to go in with your garlic and chopped up potato. If you like a thicker soup, put a couple of potatoes in to thicken it up. If not, just put one in like I have. And then it's in with your litre of chicken stock or beef stock if that's your preference, or even veggie stock if you're a veggie. And last but not least, a good squidge of honey. Then a little mix. Then we're going to cover that and simmer away for at least 30 minutes. The longer you simmer, the less chance you'll have of celery becoming stringy. So 30 minutes or more simmering away. When it's had 30 minutes or more, turn it off the heat, let it cool down a little bit, and then you're going to let it get it blended either with a hand blender like this or into a normal blender. When you've got it to the consistency you want, it's time to dish it out and butter yourself some crusty bread and enjoy it.